All right, here's today's insanity. So we got this V10 Ford and has PTO. Only problem is this is the early model where you can't drive and run your PTO at the same time. It has to be in park. So they want to go ahead and switch it out to electric over. That way they can drive. They can drive and raise their bed. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, yeah, we're just going to rip this crap out. We're going to put that crap in, wire it up, plumb it up, good to go. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, well, that was just horribly hard. Installed, plumbed up, the original lines popped right in. Went ahead and ran my wire, plugged off my lines. The only thing I have remaining to do is I have to make a plug for the feed. They wanted to leave the PTO in place, so yeah, that's all stay in there. Went ahead and pulled the handle out, pulled the switch out, and buttoned the wiring back up. And she's all wired under the hood and everything. And amazingly, oops, it's already up. It's even in the right direction, first try. Anyway, yeah, let's button this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and poof can the frame right now. All right, got her all painted up, all completed, all ready to go. She is done.